Hi everyone, myself Professor Yogesh Mehtre, Assistant Professor working in a KK College of Horticulture National. Today I am going to presenting on curry leaf. Uh, their botanical name of curry leaf is Moraya koinigi. Their family is the Rutaceae and the chromosome number is 2 and is equal to 80. It is originated from the Burma country. Then area and production. The curry leaf is mainly grown on a large scale in West Bengal, Assam, Deccan Plateau, Western Ghat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala. And it is mainly cultivated in Coimbatore, Salem, Tiruchirappalli, or districts in Tamil Nadu and commercial scales. Means that mainly the South India have a lot of productions of this curry leaf crops. Their importance and utility. Curry leaf is a is important. A perennial tree vegetable comes spices crop of India. Their leaves are widely used for Indian cookery or flavoring or the foodstuff purpose. The leaves have the slightly pungent, bitter, faintly acidic taste, and they retain their flavors and other qualities even after the drying. So it may be used after the drying. Then curry leaf is used in many Indian Ayurvedic and Unani prescription, mainly the hair problems or any digestive problem. Use mainly the curry leaf powders or the uh, curry leaf medicines. It has many industrial values and medicinal uses. Varieties of this curry leaves. First one is the DW1 means the Harvard one, or common name called as the Suasini. It was evolved at a University of Agriculture Science, Dharwad. It is a clone of a single plant of root suckers, and their characteristic is the leaves are dark green colors and shiny, fresh leaves, and the highly aromatic leaves are available on this Suasini variety. It is sensitive to low temperature in winter seasons, and hence the bud burst is poor. The leaves have the oil content is near about 5 to 22% and can be dehydrated at 50 degrees Celsius without loss of quality and made into the uh, powders. Means this variety mainly used for the processing purpose, mainly the preparation of the powder. Second one is a DWD2 means Dharwad 2. It was evolved at University of Agriculture Science Dharwad. It is a seedling progeny of unknown source, but the leaves or the characteristic of this varieties, the leaves are the slightly pale green and less aromatic as compared to the Harvard one or the Suhasini variety. It is not very sensitive to low temperature and a much superior number of buds burst. The internodal length is and 8 times higher growth of shoots than the Suhasini varieties means DWD1. It is a Coimbatore local types that leaves have the better aroma and flavor due to the higher oil percentage. There are two types of curry leaves. First one is the broad leaves and second one is the small leaves. And then the small leaves types are the more fragrant and hence used for the extraction of essential oils. So the small leaves varieties mainly they use for the oil extraction purpose because they have their leaves have the contain the maximum oil as compared to the broad leaves curry leaves. Then soil and climate. The curry leaves is grown in warm climatic condition mainly. It is suitable for the curry leaves production. So it can be cultivated in wide variety of soils or red loamy soils with a high organic contents or the high organic matter is best suited for these cultivations or the ways growth and developments. It can tolerate maximum temperature is up to the 26 to 37 degrees Celsius, and when the temperature falls down the 16 degrees Celsius, the vegetative bud become dormant and then arresting the new growth of the plants. So the proper temperature is maintained at the time of the release production. And propagation. The curry leaf is mainly propagated through the seeds, but the polyembryony has been reported in curry leaves. and about 14% of the fruit contain the two seeds per fruit, and the such as seeds are separated out of thin papery seed coats. And the removal of seed coat differentiated embryo 4 to 5 are recorded in different varieties. The embryo are separated out and planted. They are capable for developing the potential of the new plants. When whole seeds are planted, the weaker embryo are the powered by the bigger ones, producing only two seedlings per fruit. Then many of the seeds are to be sown in the raised nursery beds in 1 meter breadth and there any length. Well prepared of the maximum equal quantity of sand soils, means soil mainly the red soil sand FOI. And on the seed also can be sown in polyethylene bags filled with moisture or soil and sand. The harvest the well-ripe fruit selected high-yielding mother trees. So first of all, you should have the mother plant for the propagation of the next generation plant. Then normally fruits of the seeds are available during the July to August in Tamil Nadu, and each fruit contains 2 to 3 seeds. The seeds are extracted and sown immediately. If it is nursery beds, sown the seed uniform in line 10 centimeter apart at a depth 1 centimeter is necessary for the better growth and developments. And then two seeds can be sown in one poly bag. The seed will germinate within 3 weeks, and they irrigate the nursery to maintain the optimum soil moisture, and this is ready for transplanting in 1 year after the planting of the sowing. Then crop productions, plowing or land preparation 3 to 4 times of plowing, and at the time of plowing, that adding of the 20 tons, 25 tons of AFI and last harrowing, and then digging of the pits as a 60 centimeter cube at a spacing 3 meters row and 1.5 meter by pits mean 3 by 1.5 meter row to row and plant to plant distance should be maintained in this field crops. And dig out the pits 60 centimeter means length, width, and height is near about the 60 centimeters. 1 month before the planting, fill the pits with soil mix the FIM, then fill the pits and irrigate the pits to allow the settling down their mixtures. The well-grown seedlings is 15 to 20 centimeter height should be planted on each pit and irrigate this pit. From one channel in between the rows of the pits after irrigation should be provided once in a week, or the it's depend upon the soil moisture or the seasons of uh, which types of seasons are available. That seasons will depend. The irrigation is depend on this seasons. Allow the plants to grow up to the 1 meter and then cut the terminal buds to encourage the basal branching. So the nipping methods should be the use for to cut after the 1 meter of the height of the plants, cut their tender parts. So the cut this tender part of the terminal bud to encourage the basal branches of this caroleous plant. This will also facilitate to maintain the plants in a bushy shape so that it is so that the harvest will be easier. Total 5 to 6 branches should be maintained. In some areas, the calyps is pruned 4 times in a year, and then young shiny leaves are harvested and sent to the market. Then nutrition. The curry leaf needs the quantity of organic matter before planting. Apply the 20 kg FI per pit at the time of the plantings and after each pruning. And also apply the inorganic fertilizers in, uh, in gram per plant. In NPK first year 50 gram N, 25 gram P and 25 gram K should be applied. In second year 150 gram nitrogen, 37 gram P and potash 37 gram you should apply. 3 year and there onwards there are 300 gram of nitrogen, 50 gram of phosphorus and 50 gram of K you should apply. The ring methods of the per plant. Then harvesting at the end of first year 250 to 400 kg of leaves per hectare can be harvested. In the second year, uh, once in a per month, the first harvesting, three harvesting is necessary per month. Every per month you should harvest the leaves crops. In second year, uh, 1,800 kg of leaves should be obtained from 1 hectare area. And this work out the 4,500 kg of per hectare per year. It obtained. In third year, uh, 5,400 kg of leaves should be obtained. Then fourth year, 2,500 kg of seed is obtained in 4 months or 3 months, which should work out the 10,000 kg of per leaves per hectare should be obtained. And 5 years on our 5,000 kg of per hectare is the yield obtained in 3 months. The 3 month which are work out in 20,000 kg per hectare per year of leaf yield is obtained. Okay, thank you. Thank you.